it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the eggnog. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Bourbon. I have here bullet, Grand Marnier, eggnog, a nutmeg, and a whipped cream. 5 items. Okay, it's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a rocks glass, and a jigger. First step, grab your eggnog, open it. Pour 6 ounces of eggnog into the shaker. Next, grab your bourbon, open the bottle, pour 1 ounce of bourbon into the shaker. Now, grab your Grand Marnier, open the bottle. We'll be pouring 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier into the shaker. Add a little bit of ice. Close the lid and give your drink a nice shake. Pour your drink into the glass. Add whipped cream on top. And the last step is to add nutmeg. Sprinkle that on the top. And there you go, my friends. A simple holiday drink, the eggnog. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.